This is a third, we never do this, a third amended motion to revoke probation. We got it. What are we gonna do about?
He just picked up 3 new charges.
Yeah.
Yeah, I didn't.
Is this the unlawfully carrying a weapon, evading arrest, and failing to identify case?
That's correct, Your Honor.
Right,
This was on March 19th.
Yes, sir.
right. I think when we were in court last, you had reset to review to see how he was doing.
Let's see, it looks like the date was April 22nd. Yeah, we reset it, which was the day after this was filed. I don't even know if I got a copy of it into the file yet or not. What's his bond? You post, what is your bond on this? You posted a bond sometime during this history of this motion to revoke probation that has now is in its 4th generation. Your MTRP was first filed August of 23. Then, what happened there? Then September of 23, and first amended was filed. Then second amended comes along January. We lollygag around, nothing was done with it. So January comes along, and actually these at the time were administrative issues
I think
until the third amended rolls in. And then he's got 1 arrest. And he was charged 3 offenses with 3 offenses: unlawfully carrying a weapon, on my watch, you're going to do this, and failing to identify, giving a false fictitious information about your identity. And evading arrest or detention. Yeah. Really? You've done something that you never want to do. You've gotten my devoted attention right now to you. What is his mom?
Judge, it looks like we held the original MTRP in abeyance and released him back to probation, so he doesn't currently have a bond.
When did we do that?
We did that
Before May 4th?
back in 2023.
Mm-hmm. I mean, before March. We did that in 23, and a few months ago, he picks up all these 3 charges now. Your bond's changed. What is his bond?
We just released him back to probation.
Your bond is $50,000. 50,000. You just picked up 3 new charges on my watch. 3 new offenses. Are these all felonies too?
They're all misdemeanors.
Unlawfully carrying a weapon.
December 17th.
I don't have do you have a police report on that day? You're looking at 10 years in prison on this probation, and now you did 3 offenses. Then you busted a curfew too. You don't have a curfew either? Yeah. So you're arrested here. You tell the police you're Javon Solomon, which is not you. Lied to him on my watch. You said your date of birth was April 4th of 2004. What is your date of birth?
Here's my date.
What year?
Up to now.
Is that the same? You lied to them, huh? See what else, what other mistakes you made that night here on this court's watch? Marijuana is in the car with you?
Me.
No, I'm talking to Langston Adams. Who, me? Who have I been talking to for the last few minutes? You're the focus of attention. You're the center of attention right now. This is all about you. You just don't seem to grasp that right now. Is this important at all to you? You're looking at 10 years in prison. Is it important? Yes, of course. I'm gonna speak for you since you're struggling with a thought. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. And there you go. Glock 22 in a backpack. While they were conducting the traffic stop, you began running away. Ran for an extended distance before being placed under arrest. Well, how many things can go wrong here, huh? All right. A couple of things here. Your bond is revoked. It is now $50,000 due to this mess. I find probable cause to believe that you have failed on your bond conditions, which was don't commit an offense while on bond. Also, you're going to have a drug patch as a condition of bond, so we know you're not using drugs when you're carrying around drugs with you when you're not supposed to be.
And I think that was part of it as well, Your Honor. On December 17th to 24, he was not turning in his drug patches every 2 weeks. So you ordered him to then bring them into probation because he hadn't been.
Did he fail any of these?
So I got one back in March and he was positive for cocaine. But the last time that he's gone to switch.
Wait, when was that sent to me? When was that? I mean, that would have been sent to me, of course. Where is that? Do you have a copy of something that was sent to? Because it's not reflecting in the file. I mean, I would have dropped everything I was doing. I know. Where does this show it was sent to me? Because it's not in my file. Here. Got a negative screen here on December. Negative. And these are all now older back in September, but I don't have anything recent. Y'all got to alert me or something because I don't have, this is not in the file, everybody. Do you have a copy of this?
No, Your Honor.
Because I would, all hands would have been put on deck here. We'd have stopped everything with this. All right,
Not allowed.
those are the new conditions that you're facing. And what do you want to do today?
I know he's gonna be taken into
Custody?
so I'll get with Mr. Daniel. We'll see if we can work something out on NTRP.
Okay. Was he ordered to get a drug patch by y'all by any chance?
You ordered your patch when we came to court.
Okay, and he hadn't been doing it.
So it's been on and off. He has and then he hasn't, and then he just stops getting the patch.
Okay, that's another condition of bond then, that or condition of probation that we had ordered that he failed to do, correct?
Correct.
Well, add that to it.
Sick, I think that was the second amended hearing, which is why I had sent it.
Failed to participate in the drug patch program.
Right.
It just says generally, failed to participate in the drug patch program as directed by the court in violation of condition A of special amendment filed March 6th, 2024, and that's all it says on the 30-minute motion, but it needs to complete the thought with because of the actions that that the defendant took that violated the
Yeah.
conditions. Okay. All right, is this one for me? Is this an extra one? We'll make a copy.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Stay to get back to.
Just a normal, I know he's going into custody, so. a
Yes, sir.
normal Reset, and I'll get with.
4 weeks, so
4
let's
weeks ago.
figure this out. Look, in 4 weeks, we're gonna do something. We're gonna have a hearing or y'all resolve it, but let's get this done. It's been languishing for far too long. And then the motion that was originally filed now. In a few months, it'll be 2 years. That's too long. Okay, thanks.
Thank you,
Okay.
Judge. We good. Appreciate you.